Hindi ba natin alisin yun? Yung plastic?
Sige yan.
Mahirap
Naka-record naman natin. Alis na.
Ba't meron music?
Sa ano na lang yun?
Iba-background mo na lang.
Oo.
Power on.
Oh.
Bluetooth connected.
Gi, sirain mo po. Hmm?
I need help.
Sige, gano'n mo po. Gi.
Burn by candle turns. I need forever not to stop.
Merry
Tell me now, is it more than December? Will you call me when the trees are bare? Don't be the boy I try to remember. Be the one who's really always there. Tell me now I'm not scared of the feeling. If it's real, then why just make it clear? 'Cause under all these lights I'm dreaming, but I won't give my heart to disappear.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Ito Hana, tingnan mo.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero ang felicidad.
May ano pa siya, oh. See?
Feliz Navidad.
May suspension pa yan, oh.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Halatang
Prospero
mamahalin eh.
ang iyong
Kita sa forma eh.
felicidad.
Sa forma, tsaka sa ano, tingnan mo.
I wanna wish you
Bakal.
Merry
Bakal.
Christmas. I
Ito.
Hey,
wanna
that one is expensive. It's not from Ansar Gallery.
Hindi yan yung may ilaw-ilaw lang. Ronong pala pagka-scooter lang eh. Happy? Ilaw na.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Can I write it now? Outside.
Ikaw, sige po. Sa ibabay muna.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Kaya na ata si Bebe. ito kaya, no? Parang mababa eh.
നമ്മുടെ വഴിയെടുത്ത് ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് നമ്മൾ വേറൊന്നും
You want not more, ano?
Like this? Because I think it's too, ano daw? Ano daw? Ano daw?
What she's doing?
Parang dilim, Han.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ang dilim, hindi nakasagad yung brightness. So, hindi sila kita masyado.
Hmm?
Kasagad mo yung brightness.
Di ganyan talaga kasi medyo against the light eh.
Isasagad mo lang.
Ayan. Ayan sila. Kasi pag sinagad mo yung brightness, ang brightness lang nun, yung ano lang.
Bumababa siya eh.
Ay, ano talaga, ganun talaga. Pinapractice niya pa eh. Lusog ng anak ko.
Yun.
Oh! Oh,
Doon siya nakatingin sa ano eh, sa baba. Dapat sa ano daan eh.
pag natutunan naman niya i-balance yan, madali na yan. Woo!
Ang cute eh. Hindi marunong pa. Yan, dahan. Yan. Slowly lang.
Hmm. Eh, sana nga ano, hindi mag-sawa agad.
Hindi siya sumasampa.
Hindi, inaano pa rin niya. Tinatry pa rin niya iba.
Yeah, she's still practicing.
Because you don't know how to balance.
In our old house, I have one like that, but I always fell down from that.
Ah, really?
Mm. Mhm. Yan. Paunti-unti. Nak!
B, there's a
Nak.
car.
അറിയില്ല അതൊന്നും ഞാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ടില്ല അതൊന്നും നോക്കിയിട്ടില്ല
There's a car.
This one ako, balance.
Ang galing ni Talo, oh. 3 years old lang yan. Marunong na mag-bike. No?
Hindi, si Isha, kaya naman yung ganyan.
Ibig ko ba sabihin 3 years old
Basta
lang?
bago.
Tamo, eh. Ang ganda ng mukha niya bata yan.
Hmm. Maano din yan ni Isha, mag-balance. Pag yan natutunan niya i-balance, tingin ko makukuha niya yun sa ano, sa bike.
Pag marunong na siya dyan, saka natin pag-isipan yung bike. Baka next year na.
Hmm. Yan, yan. Hmm.
Yun.
Oo.
Slow, yan.
Yan.
Slowly lang na.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Ganito na ko, I will show you.
It's so cool. They even have a slow.
Ganito na ko. Gawin mo po. Ano lang, slowly. Ganyan.
No. Manual. Kids.
Like this. Then only small. Like this only. Then you try to back.
Ako nga.
Ah, wait. Just try to try to balance. Try to balance. Yan yung sinasabi ni yung sinasabi ni kabayan na wala kang preno. Hello. It's a diesel bag. Ito kaibigan din nila to.
Just go inside, okay? Just go inside. It's okay, just go inside.
Yan, ganyan na. Ano lang, isang push, then balance. Kasi lahat ng mga bata, mga nag-start naman sa ganyan.
Kaya ba?
Oo, kaya ko na.
Can I borrow?
Yeah.
Yan.
I like this one, Potakai.
You want me to bring down this one?
I'll show.
A little? Yan.
Cool.
Yan, like that. Like this, oh. One push, then balance. Use this one now. Sige lang, balance mo.
Hindi marunong mag-stand. Gani, hindi ako marunong mag-stand.
Ito mo pa ganun. Ito yung niya na kan. Ito yung preno niya na. Ito. You push this one. Okay? So you can break like this. Okay, I will show you. I will show you.
Oh, that's so cool.
Na na niya na-balance na niya
Nakatuto lang pala niya yung mag-bike. Yan lang idea.